Everyone, I am Vivek Chorasia PGT Mathematics at Ananda World School. In this video, I am gonna teach you a topic which is common for classes 6 to 10th, and the topic is number system. I am starting with real numbers. Real numbers can be categorized in two parts. Number one is rationals and number two is irrationals. Further, rational numbers can be classified into three categories: A. Natural numbers, B. Whole numbers, and C. Integers. So, what we observe here, we can convert natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers into rational numbers. As we all know, we can divide it by 1, and therefore it can be represented in the form of P upon Q, and which is the necessary condition of being a rational number, right? And as real numbers are having two parts, rationals and irrationals, so we can convert natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers into rationals. And the second part of real numbers is irrationals. In class 9th and 10th, we have studied their decimal representations. Rational numbers, there are two types of decimal representations of rational numbers. First one is terminating decimals, second one is non-terminating and repeating decimals. Irrationals, it has non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. The detail about rationals and irrationals we will study in separate video. So what we conclude by this chart, we can observe all numbers are real numbers. Next is, here is the number system chart, which is very helpful for classes 6 to classes 10th students who are studying in any of the board. Now, first I have mentioned natural numbers here, then whole numbers, then integers, then rationals, and then real numbers. I haven't mentioned irrationals here because there is no significance of writing irrational numbers here due to the rule of this chart. This chart is having a specific rule. Look at here. In this chart, if we are moving from left to right, then everything will be true. For an example, if I will say all whole numbers are rational numbers, so we are moving from left to right. And if we move from left to right, then rule number 1 is applicable. According to this statement will be a true statement. Now we will study rule number 2. According to rule number 2, if we move from right side to left, everything will be false. Look at here. For an example, all Q are W. All Q are W, which means all rational numbers are whole numbers. So rational numbers are written on right hand side, whole numbers are written on left hand side. So we are moving from right side to left side. In this case, this will be a false statement, right? So with the help of this number system chart, take more examples and clarify your doubts. In case you have any query, you can comment here your queries and we will try to sort it out. So thanks for watching this video.